Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Mailbird, EMclient, Canary Mail, and Spark, four of the biggest names in email software. We wanted to see which one deserves to be called the ultimate choice right now. Mailbird is lightweight and customizable, great for personal productivity. EMclient is powerful, offering calendar, tasks, and even chat integration. Canary Mail focuses heavily on security and encryption, which is excellent for privacy-minded users. Spark is best known for collaboration and team inbox features. Mailbird's pros are its simplicity and speed, but its con is limited advanced features. EMclient's pros are all-in-one productivity tools, but it feels heavier. Canary Mail's pros are strong privacy and encryption, but the con is that it's pricier. Spark's pros are team collaboration and smooth UI, but its con is fewer privacy-focused features. Overall, the ultimate depends on what you need. This has been How to Really Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.